ఎక్కువ తక్కువలేవో ఎరగము ఇద్దరిలోన ఒక్కటై నీ ఉరముపై ఉన్నదిదే చెలియ.
Thank you so much for being part of Natyarambha's Tamrapatra session 10. We are looking forward. This is just to welcome you, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee, dancer, scholar, choreographer, one of Venkateswara Sathiraju masters, renowned disciples. Thank you so much for being part of Tamrapatra. So over to you. Thank you, Deepika, and over to you, Anupama, for the first 20 minutes of your scholarship.
Vibhava aspect, that all these avatara ideas unfold. That is the transcendental energy or the divine energy coming onto the earth to fulfill a certain activity or a certain, element for which that particular avatara has been conceived. Very rarely do you find Annamacharya uttering the name of the avatara. You will hardly ever hear him say Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha. You will never hear the name. Let's look at this unique feature that he has, which is he turns the avatara into a Shringaric idea. And he turns the whole, eulogy concept into something like a repartee. So ekkuva means something more, thakkuvalevo means something less. So he says here, I don't understand what is more, what is less, who is greater, who is not as great, what is higher, what is lower here. I don't understand all this.
Saikapu, Pasidi Chira, the sari, the Pitambaram. Swami Varu wears it so beautifully, and the Angavastram like this, or like this, whatever you feel. And he stands. Look at him. That is Swami Varu. And for her, Amma Varu, her body, my God, it's just shining like gold. It's just, Allah merisipothund anamata Amma Varu. So here I feel
I wanted to do is, I used the creative license and I said, from the time she wakes up in the morning, the moment she wakes up also, she's thinking of what happened the previous night. And then when she's washing her face, there she sees Swami Varu giving her a kiss.
జలజాక్షి అయితే నిన్ను సన్నలనే కలసే, జలజాక్షి అయితే నిన్ను సన్నలనే కలసే, జలజాక్షి అయితే నిన్ను సన్నలనే కలసే.
Welcome someone we all look up to, dancer, choreographer, teacher, as I called her yesterday, Columbus, who took Kuchipudi to the Western Hemisphere.
The word that came to me at the end of this session right now was the word vision, because it was everything needs a catalyst, and Ananda, you are that catalyst. It was your broad vision of bringing together Annamaya and a tribute to the incomparable Venumadhav Garu that resulted in this Tamrapatra series. Deepika Master Garu must be smiling at you with joy. You have proved yourself to be a wonderful Sishya to a great visionary Guru. Annamaya is smiling at Anupama Sardhaka Namadheyam. Anupama, the one who has no upama, no incomparable erudite Anupama.
Thank you.
Both Venumadhav Garu and Annamaya are smiling at Ananda. I mean, I feel like going and rediscovering Annamaya again after this, because that is how I felt. And I'm sure that that is the importance of these sessions, that they should trigger curiosity, that they should give you an impetus to go and learn more.
Even when Anupama said that in the last charanam, usually he unites them, I failed to see too much of the unison because it continued to kind of give her the one-upmanship.
Used to be the original feminist, Annamacharya. Original feminist.
So that's a wonderful observation actually. That is very typical of him. Ekkuva takkuva emi ledu, but she's ekkuva. So,
Actually, what Ananda ma'am said about being a staunch feminist, you know, Annamacharya being a staunch, that is what really caught my attention, because with each composition you're exploring in every session, it's becoming even more clearer. And that too, a 15th century staunch feminist is truly inspirational for.
no, actually, I think the whole Sri Vaishnava cult was that.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, because it is Sri. Sri is before Vishnu.
How beautifully you explained how Annamaya is the biggest weaver. That really, which is so true, that yards and yards are woven, bound all of us, or binds all of us together.
ఎక్కువ తక్కువలేవో ఎరగము ఇద్దరిలోన ఒక్కడై నీ ఉరముపై ఉన్నదిదే చెలియా ఎక్కువ తక్కువలేవో